Hello and welcome to our monthly update in 3.5 minutes or less. So I'm going to get straight to it as time, as always, is of the essence. Now, before I get into the specifics, I'm going to give a very brief introduction for anybody who might be new here today and maybe hearing about owning strategic metals for the first time. So our primary business is we offer investors the freedom and convenience of purchasing and owning these critical raw materials. Strategic metals power our daily lives. They're always in demand and therefore they have an intrinsic value which makes them a profitable addition to any portfolio. How profitable? Well, year to date for 2021, on average, our metals have increased 24.25%. We're a little over halfway through the year. So here's the scoop. Here's our key insight, if you will, into the market today. Any metals involved in renewable energy, also known as green energy or sustainable energy. Now, we already knew that this shift was taking place. However, global events in the past 18 months have accelerated these developments. And what we're about to show you is it's essentially a 2 + 2 + 2 = 6 formula. It's very easy to follow, and like all good ideas, it's very, very simple. So the entire planet, where they can, particularly the developed world, is taking action to counter climate change. We know this as a fact. Now, our climate crisis can also be deemed an energy crisis because more than 80% of global emissions originate from how we power our daily lives. Now, there are 4 critical raw materials that are needed in these industries. Electric mobility, say wind energy and solar power. And the metals that are needed critically and that are also considered rare and limited in supply with increasing demand are gallium, dysprosium, terbium and neodymium. As I said, their supply is limited. The supply is also subject to disruption and demand is increasing. Therefore, prices are going to continue to rise and you can benefit and profit from this position. It's that simple. It's the same paradigm as owning gold or silver, except these raw materials have an intrinsic value and are increasing in demand and also limited in supply. Our historical price charts and the gains our clients have made in the past 5 years reflect that. So I'll finish with this. The only obstacle to investors making profits from rare earth metals, it's not that they don't go up in value. They do. It is because investors do not know that they can safely and securely make this happen. And now you do know. The only question is, what will you do now that you are armed with the facts? If you'd like to chat with me, please contact me through our website, www.strategicmetalsinvest.com. Or you can email me directly, Louis, Louis, @strategicmetalsinvest.com. I'm Louis O'Connor. Thank you very much. It's been my pleasure to be with you here today.